In this tutorial, we are going to be studying how to expand algebraic expressions with variables and parentheses. Now let's look at the first example. So we have 2 into x minus 3 all squared minus 3 into x plus 1 all squared. So we're going to take the terms individually. First of all, let us expand this. So we have x minus 3 all squared. It simply means x minus 3 times x minus 3. So simplifying this further, we have x into x minus 3 minus 3 into x minus 3. Now x times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. Now if we simplify further, this will be x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now remember that we still have a 2 outside, so this is multiplying everything. And if we simplify further, we have 2 times x will give us 2x squared. 2 times minus 6x will give us minus 12x. And 2 times 9 will give us plus 18. Now let's simplify the second term. X plus 1 squared simply means x plus 1 times x plus 1. Now if we expand this, we have x times x plus 1 times x plus 1. Now x times x will give us x squared. X times 1 will give us x, and 1 times x will give us x, and 1 times 1 will give us 1. Now if we simplify this further, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Remember there is a negative 3 outside, so this is being multiplied by a negative 3. Now if we expand this further, negative 3 times x squared will give us negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times plus 2x will give us negative 6x. And negative 3 times plus 1 will give us a negative 3. Now if we bring these terms together, we have 2x squared minus 12x plus 18 minus 3x squared minus 6x minus 3. So if you collect like terms together, we have 2x squared minus 3x squared minus 12x minus 6x plus 18 minus 3. Now 2x squared minus 3x squared will give us a minus x squared. Minus 12x minus 6x will give us minus 18x, and 18 minus 3 is plus 15, and that is the answer. Now let's see the second example. This simply means 7 times x squared times y squared times 8 times x raised to the power 3 times y raised to the power 4. So if we bring like terms together, we are going to have 7 times 8 times x squared times x cubed times y squared times y raised to the power 4. Now 7 times 8 is 56. X squared times x raised to the power cube, it simply means x raised to the power 2 plus 3 times y raised to the power 2 plus 4. So we have 56. X 2 plus 3 is 5, so x will be raised to the power 5. Y 2 plus 4 is 6, so we have y raised to the power 6, and that is the answer. Let's look at the next example. We have this, so we remove the brackets. We have 3x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now this negative sign outside changes the signs of everything inside the parentheses. So we have minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. So if we collect like terms together, we have 3x squared minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 7x minus 6 plus 3. So 3x squared minus 4x squared will give us minus x squared. 5x minus 7x will give us a minus 2x. And minus 6 plus 3 will give us a minus 3. And that is the answer. Now let's look at the next example. we have 3 over x squared plus 5 over x squared. So this is a fraction. We solve it like a normal fraction. So we look for the lowest common multiple, which is x squared. X squared divided by x squared is 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus x squared divided by x squared is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So we have 3 plus 5 is 8 over x squared. And that's the answer. It's really very simple.